This video shows the connection of a PROFIBUS connector to a PROFIBUS cable. The following tools are needed: side cutter, screwdriver and a cable stripping tool. Loosen the screw on the connection side and open the plastic tabs. Insert a flexible or rigid PROFIBUS cable into the stripping tool and tighten it. Turn the stripping tool several times until notches are produced. A deeper one on the front and a lighter one on the rear of the cable. After taking the cable out of the stripping tool, remove the insulator on the front together with the shield and on the rear without the shield. If present, remove the strain reliefs with care, avoiding any damage to the red and green wires. Now check that the cable has been prepared properly. The dimensions should be 11 mm on the front and 6 mm on the rear. Insert the green and red wires into the appropriate green and red marked holes and push down the plastic tabs with your fingers. The connection of the A and B lines taking place using IDC. A second PROFIBUS cable is connected in the same way. Finish the assembly tightening the fixing screw. The connectors are available in 4 versions: 0, 45 and 90 degrees with diagnostic LEDs and 90 degrees without diagnostic LEDs.